Hello, everybody. It's meteorologist Hutch Johnson. I'm joined with my friend Pedro of the North, and we're sitting here talking about this weather. Here's the latest and what you need to know about the radar and the snow forecast as we go through the overnight as another band of very heavy snow, as I've been talking about. Wave 2 is coming through, and it's really picking up in intensity for our neighbors in the western Dakotas. Here's Bismarck, and where you see this dark blue shades with temperatures in the 20s there, wind at 15 to 25 miles per hour out of the northwest now is picking up behind the system as well. So we've got some snow, blowing snow over areas that have already gotten quite a bit, including upwards of a foot of snow in and around the Minot area, upwards of a foot of snow south of Dickinson. The system is ending out in Dickinson. Look at those temperatures, 17, 16. Are you kidding me? Burr factor. For us, we have mixed precipitation in eastern North Dakota, but this batch of snow with its north winds will cool everything off in the lower atmosphere, and we expect a change. Now, here's a quick peek at the late night radar on the eastern side of the state as I switch it over. You're going to see our temperatures in Fargo, 36 degrees with heavy rain moving into town with the yellows that you see there. That heavy rain extends into Richland County for Milner and the Windermere area as well as Wahpeton. How about Fergus Falls growing bananas at 43 degrees and Wadena at 43 at your airport as well. No snow for you for some time. Now we're getting a little lull in the activity up to the north, and that's good for them. Now let's talk about the snowfall forecast because that's all important as we go through the overnight hours. I want to point out first and foremost that this is a look at the European model and the snowfall forecast that should be taking place as we go through the overnight hours. I'm pausing this between now and Friday mid-morning. That's when the majority of this will be through. Do you see all the areas of pink? We're talking 4 to 6 inches of snow, but this isn't total additional snow. This is from earlier today. So I've parsed this out for you to make a little bit more sense of how much might be falling in the overnight hours on top of what you already seen. And let's get to the bottom line on that, and then this video will be done, and you'll have what you need to know. The road conditions are bad. I'll review that real quick as well. Here is a look at the snowfall totals that I put together. I want you to keep in mind, please, that the lower number is the most likely. I feel pretty confident Hallock, Grafton, and Baudette will see 4 to 5 inches of snow. I feel confident Larimore and New Rockford and Carrington will see 3 to 4 inches of snow. They could see as much as the higher number on the right. I feel confident that Carrington through Grand Forks and Devil's Lake will have 3 inches of snow additional by morning. That would put Grand Forks with an inch on the ground now at about 4 total to 5 total. Now, we could see Jamestown picking up 3 inches of snow. Pretty good chance of that. And 2 for Roseau and Valley City, with as much as 5 in Jamestown, as much as 4. So that's how I'm reading these. 2 to 4 for Thief River Falls. Mahnomen, it really drops off, less than an inch. And why does Fargo say 1.5? Well, it's because that's what I've been saying for Fargo for a little while, 1.5 inches or so. I'll stick to my guns on that forecast for now. Detroit Lakes and Fergus Falls, how about a big old 0? Nada. No snowfall expected by Hutch from you other than some nuisance flakes. It shouldn't be measurable. That's your forecast. Please, if you're getting up in the morning, know that there'll be wind and snow picking up. Out west, where you see the red on the DOT map here, that is no travel advisory for western parts of North Dakota. We may have some impacts on our roads, so I'll have the latest for you in the morning right here. Thanks so much. Check out my page on YouTube. It's at Hutch's Weather, 24-7. 24-7. All right, that's where I'm at. Love to see you there.